Let's begin by defining prompt engineering and recalling our knowledge of the structure of effective prompting. AI prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting precise and effective prompts to elicit optimal responses from your artificial intelligence systems. This process involves understanding the underlying mechanisms of AI models and strategically designing prompts to guide the AI in generating desired outputs. Prompt engineering enables users to unlock the full potential of AI tools, ensuring that interactions are both effective and aligned with our objectives. This is why prompt writing and utilizing prompting techniques is absolutely crucial to our collaboration with AI. Now, before we take a look at all of those advanced techniques, let's first revisit the core components of an effective prompt. These are your goal, where we define what is the specific task or output that we're looking for the AI to accomplish. Context, which answers why is this response needed? Who is this prompt for? Tone, should the response be formal, casual, or analytical? And finally, source, which answers should the AI reference specific data, a specific format, or a specific style? These four elements form the foundation of effective AI communication. As we explore more advanced prompting techniques, these principles will remain essential to guiding AI effectively. And now that we've set the stage, let's begin with our first technique, zero-shot prompting, which is the most straightforward and accessible method for working with artificial intelligence.